this is gonna add that spark, that extra taste to this drink. Hi, this is Dr. Vivek. If you want to clean your blood, you want to clean your skin, you want to have a glowing, shiny skin, plus you want to get rid of the pigmentation, then how it can be done? You have to take two approaches. It's working on your body from inside plus working on your body from outside. So in this video, I'll be sharing both the concept. The inside treatment we are going to do through the diet plus a drink that you will make at home, and this is gonna help you only if the whole day you are eating right, means you are not eating junk, you are eating more fruits and vegetables, then this drink or the smoothie is gonna help you. The outside approach, we are going to make a mask, or you can say a mask plus scrub, that will help you in treating the pigmentation, the removal of the dead skin from your body. So it's going to be both the approaches. Let's start with the inside approach first, that is making an smoothie. For this, what we need, as you can see, we need just one cucumber. Second thing we need is beetroot, just one beetroot we'll be using. Then some mint leaf, according to the taste you can add it up. Then we'll put a pinch of black pepper. It depends upon your taste. If you want black pepper, use black pepper. If you don't want, don't use. I like black pepper a bit, so one pinch is enough for me. And plus 1 tablespoon of lemon or lime juice. This is gonna add that spark, that extra taste to this drink. And plus I will add about half glass of water to it. So just adding these all things, and then we will mix it up. That's it, and here is your smoothie ready. If you want, you can add little bit of Himalayan pink salt to it. It is tasty. Just give it a try. 1 or 2 glasses will be enough. Drink it and you will feel the effect on your whole digestive tract, and it is gonna clean you, it is gonna give you shine from inside. Now let's move to our outside approach. So to make this mask plus scrub, what do we need? We just need few ingredients easily available near to you or maybe at your kitchen. The first thing that we will be needing is 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, the white sesame seeds. I have taken them, roasted a bit, and then I have crushed it with the help of this mortar. As you can see, now I have got a good powder kind of consistency. This plus we will need a pinch of turmeric also. So now on this we'll add a pinch of turmeric. If you are not comfortable with the turmeric or you think it will be not good for your skin, then you can just avoid this. But as for maximum people, turmeric goes good. So we are using the turmeric over here. Then we will use 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Then we will use 1 teaspoon of gram flour. Just we have to mix all this. Sesame seeds will give you all the oil, all the moisture that is required. It is rich in antioxidants, so we are using it. Turmeric, antibacterial, antiseptic, antifungal. List goes on. Rice flour will give you that tightness, will give you that light scrubbing of your face, and will give the brightness to your skin, the shine to your skin. The gram flour, it will lift your skin. So these things indeed will help your skin to shine, to remove the pigmentation from the outside as much as a cream can do from the outside. So this is the mixture ready over here. You can store it for a month. It's not going to create any problem. just put it in an airtight container and can be used. How to use this is, we just need 1 teaspoon of this. We'll add little bit of water. You can add water, aloe vera gel, yogurt, whatever you like. Either milk you can add to it. I'll add just little bit of water to it, just to get that paste consistency. And this is what you will get. Just apply it on your face and keep it for 5 to 7 minutes. As the paste gets semi-dry, then you have to rinse it, and just while rinsing it, do a good massage of your face. You can do it for about 5 minutes, it will be better, and just rinse it out, and this is it. These things are effective for pigmentation. You have to treat your body from inside. I have given you just an example of this. I have many different videos where I have explained more deeply about the pigmentation. I'll put the links down below. Learn about this, just get more knowledge, and plus try these home remedies. These things takes time. Skin is an organ that takes time to recover, to give effects and to show the effects if there are some problems. So try them at least for 3 months. But the result, the shyness, you'll feel the difference just by 1 or 2 use. How often to use this? You can use it 3 to 4 times in a week. Means every alternative day you can try it out. After this, don't forget to moisturize your skin. Moisturization can be done just by the aloe vera gel. Either you can add aloe vera, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of glycerin, vegetable glycerin, apply it up. Either what you can do is you can use the oil, the jojoba oil, almond oil, whatever you want, the sweet almond oil, it will be helpful. As I always say, always use the oils or the moisturizer when your skin is hydrated. Just don't apply it on dehydrated skin, on very dry skin. For example, after washing this, your skin will be hydrated because you will be washing it with the water. So after this, apply the moisturizer, and this will indeed give the hydration to your skin, and this in turn will give the results. You are beautiful. Doing these things will make you a little bit more beautiful. Smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.